Good evening, everyone. It is May 9th, 2017. We are doing 2015-16 Champs Hockey personal box break for Ryan P in the YouTube stream. So good luck, man. I have no clue. I know there was some products that they weren't gonna make this year. So, but I'm not sure. I'll try. Remember I pulled you that mini Connor McDavid? That was pretty sweet. I've never pulled a mini autograph though, so. No, I think he was saying that there is one. It's in Beckett's page. Maybe Cardboard Connection hasn't done one. Oh, it's in the Gretzky's in his. Oh yeah, that's right, huh? That'd be great. We never know. We just started the case, so depending what you pull here. We tried it. Nobody wanted to get into it, man. We tried it. Ryan P loves this stuff, and I remember he got like 5 spots right away, but nobody wanted to do it. No, there is gonna be an ultimate. He's saying that there is gonna be one. Beckett is letting you know that on Beckett's website. I guess they do say they're gonna have one. Cardboard Connection might be just a little late. Yeah, black as well. Black comes out in August. Alrighty, Ryan. Good luck, man. Common Carp. Jason Presley. Jimmy Howard for the Red Wings. 22 of 25. Zach Parise, relic. I don't think I missed any of the whites. Next stack. Wow, I'm hungry now, guys. Coney dog. Jason Spezza is the autograph. Dallas Stars. Bluegill. And Derek Forbert relic for the Kings. Alright, Ryan. That was your box, man. Forbert relic, Spezza auto, Zach Parise, and a Jimmy Howard at 25. So there you go, man. JaspysHobbyLand.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.